Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. I am Sanjay Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important session. What we have planned for you based on divide and share, divide the share honestly. So a new title. Basically, it's a topic of divide and share inside ratios, but we are calling it as divide shares honestly. Okay, so please be honest while dividing the shares. Hello Sam Moses. Hello everyone, those who have joined. Please, once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. It is absolutely that much important so that you join on time. You join on time. Okay, great to have you all over here. I hope I'm audible. Yeah, I'm perfectly audible. Otherwise, all my dialogues are. Uh, okay, all my dialogues I have to repeat. Hello, Isant Madhav. Very good evening. Very good evening to all. You all are highly welcomed. You all are very much appreciated for the regularity. For the regularity. Okay, now let's begin. Hello, Divya Teja. Lot of previous students. Lot of previous students coming back. So nice to have you all over, guys. I missed you. I missed you. Okay. So chalo, let's begin. Problems based on divides and shares. Not any concept, only a practice. Not too much of concept, only a practice. A ratio B, 9 ratio 8. A ratio C is 4 ratio 5. A is common to both. A is common to both, make its value same. Here it is 9, here it is 4. So multiply by 9 here, multiply by 4 here. So 36, 32, 36, 40. So A, B, C is in the ratio. So A, B, C is in the ratio 36, 32, 42. Total is given. What is the share of B? Share of B is 32 out of total of 108. Hello as Ganesh. So CHSL is now much more detailed examination. You have to attempt quant, reasoning, GS and English twice. Once at the pre-level, once at the mains level. So please study dedicatedly. Please study dedicatedly, guys. This is my humble request to all of you. 4 8 ja, 4 27 ja, 27 1 ja 27. After that 48, 27 1 ja 27. Multiple of 8. Multiple of 8. This is not multiple of 8. Yes. Multiple of 8. Yes. Multiple of 8. Either this or this. I think C is the answer. C is the answer, my dear. No need to completely calculate it. No need to completely calculate it. Okay. No need to completely calculate it. Oh, Ganesh, you are not aware. C is 45. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh ho. Oh my God. Oh my God. You can check the multiple of 8 and multiple of this will ultimately come out to be the answer. This will ultimately comes out to be the answer. No more tiers. It is not more tiers. It is not about more tiers. It is about getting the streamlined and asking the subjects at the tier 2 level. Initially, it was more luck based. Because of a essay. Some zone students was getting good marks, other zone students was getting less marks, so it was more luck based. Now it is more proper. So that luck element is eliminated. Now it is about working hard and getting the good marks across 4 subjects of English, GK, reasoning and quant. Okay, so it is a better change. Guys, I must say, because I know a lot of students who were very, very well deserving, ending up getting very less marks at tier 3 for no fault of theirs. Okay, so at least that point is eliminated. And some of you might have also gone through that point once, maybe. Yeah, not getting the expected tier 3, not getting the expected essay marks. A ratio B 3:5 and A ratio C is 4:7. It is exactly the same, na? It is exactly the same. So make the value of A same, multiply by 3, multiply by 4. So C is 21, A is 12 and B is 20. ABC is 12, 20, 21. The share of B is 20. The share of B is 20 over the total of 41, 51, 53. 20 by 53 of 11236. Okay. 106, 63, 1, 106, 2. 4240. Answer. Its calculation was easy. Its calculation was comparatively easy. Say, Moses, what is the error have you done, my dear? What is the error have you done, my dear? Why some of you are getting this answer? Ultimately, this answer is D. Are you taking this as B? Are you taking this as B? Only this is the possibility that some of you might be taking 12 as B. Otherwise, I cannot think of any other point. Yeah. B is this. The middle value is not always B. The middle value is not always B. Next. Divya Teja, well done. R gives 200 from his share to Q. So R is giving some money to Q. R is giving some money to Q. The new ratios are coming 3, 10. Who is giving? Who is taking? R is giving, Q is taking. R is giving, Q is taking. So P should not be disturbed. The value of P should be same in both the ratios. Here it is 3, here it is 6, here it is 3. Means balancing is not there. Balancing is not there. 6, 19, 7, 6, 26. So now I can say Q is giving 1, and R is like Q is having a profit of 1 and R is having a loss of 1. Value of R is decreasing by 1, value of Q is increasing by 1. And this 1 is equal to 200. And this 1 is equal to 200 rupees. What is the sum? Guys, the sum is either this or this. Both of them are balanced, so both of them are equal. 19 plus 6 is 25, 25 plus 7, 32. The sum is 32. The sum is 32 according to the ratio. If 1 is 200, then 32 is 32 into 200, 6400. Is it absolutely clear, my dear? Come on, tell me. Is it absolutely clear, my dear? Come on, tell me, guys. What is the ratio balancing we have applied? We have applied since R is giving and Q is taking. So the value of Q, P should be same. Because P is neither involved in giving, P is neither involved in taking. So value of P should be same, value of P is same. So we have make the question like that. Great. Please do the sharings and liking as well, guys. Please do the sharings and likings as well. The ratio of sum, difference and product of two numbers is given. Sum, difference and product of two numbers, the ratio is 11 ratio 1 ratio 1. You can imagine this pretty easily, that obviously the solving has to be done taking 2 at a time. The solving need to be done taken 2 at a time. So A plus B upon A minus B is in the ratio 11 ratio 1. So A plus B is 11A minus 11B. So 10A is equal to 12B, or you can say A upon B is in the ratio 6 ratio 5. A upon B is in the ratio 6 ratio 5, or you can say whatever you want to say. You can say, sir, A is equal to 6 by 5 of B. Okay. We have to solve it taking 2 at a time. We have to solve it taking 2 at a time. Now, since this is a ratio, now this is a ratio. So for solving ratio, we have to take at least 2 values. For solving ratios, we have to take at least 2 values. It is not like that I can put A by 6B over here and find out the value of B. No, because it is in the ratio. I cannot simply solve one value. So for finding out something from ratio, I have to take at least 2. So once again, I am taking the last 2. A minus B upon AB is 1 upon 120. A is 6 by 5B minus B. A is 6 by 5B into B is equal to 1 by 120. 6 by 5 minus 1 is 1 by 5B. And this is B square 6 by 5. What? Okay, A is 6 by 5 of B. So 6 by 5 of B into B. Here it is 1 by 5, 6 by 5. B is getting what? 6B is 120. Okay. So B is 20. B is 20. B is 20. So A is 24. They are asking A square plus B square. 24 का square plus 20 का square. Unit digit of 6. Well done, Ganesh. Whatever the conceptual doubts you have, you can ask me, guys. I will clear all. Whatever the doubts you can even think of, please ask me. I will clear it all. Okay? These are ratios. I cannot just put the value of A from here and directly find out the value of B. No, because this is in the ratio. So first I have solved it. First I have find out one relation with the help of here. Then I put that relation in here. Picture getting formed. Is picture getting formed? First I find out one of the relation from here. Then I put that relation over here. Because I can take only in the ratios. I can take only in the upon to find out the relation. I cannot pick up anything and directly put the value. I hope you can understand this point. This is the point of the day. Yeah, this is the point of the day. You cannot pick something. Okay, B is A is 6 by 5 B, so you can put A as 6 by 5 of B and find out the value from over here. No, that is you can't do. You are not allowed to, because this is all in the ratios. These are not exact values. Okay. Okay, chalo. Let's move on. Eight ratio 9, 2 ratio 3, 9 ratio 13. Guys, have you ever heard about filling the blanks method? Have you ever heard about filling the blanks method? Dot, 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 dot. Fill in the blanks. Okay. It is about filling the blanks method. Put it 9 over here, 9 over here, 3 over here, 2 over here, 9 over here, 9 over here. If you find any of the things common, you can cancel out. Why, guys? The adjacent digit. Adjacent. For this, adjacent is 9. For this, 9. For this, 2. For this, 3. For this, 9 and 9. I think 9 is in all the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cancelled out. 8 2 ja 16. 9 2 ja 18. 9 3 ja 27. 13 3 ja 39. Total is 45, 51, 61, 70 plus 30, 100. 100 is given as 12,000. 1 is equal to 120. Difference between B and D. 21. So what is the value of 21? 21 is 21 into 120. 2400 plus 120, 2520. Please do find out. Any issues whatsoever? Any issues whatsoever? Okay, how do we do the filling, guys? How do we do the filling? We create the blanks. We create the blanks and fill it by the adjacent number. And fill it by the adjacent number. Like this is 9. So here we will fill it by 9, and again we will fill it by 9. And this blank would be filled by the nearest number 3. And this blank would be filled by the nearest number 2. And this blank would be filled by the nearest number 4. And again 9 and 9. Okay. So it is like this. Initially it was 8:9, then it was 2:3, and then it was 9:13. So we have created blanks 2 over here, this blank over here, this over here. This is filled by the adjacent place 9, then this is also 9. This is filled by the adjacent place 3, this is filled by the adjacent place 2, and this is filled by the adjacent place 9 and 9. Now whatever is looking common we can cancel out. So 9 is here as well, 9 is here as well, 9 is here as well, 9 is here as well. So 16, 18, 27 and 13. I think now even the fresher of the freshest can understand this. Yeah, the fresher of the freshest. The freshest of the fresher. Huh? Chalo. Let's move on. Let's move on. You have to focus now. Wow. Looking innovative. Looking innovative. Let's see how much it is. Innovative things looks good. A spend 60% of his income. So can I say A save 40% of his income? A save 40% of his income. B spent 75% of his income. So B saved 25% of his income. This is saving of A upon saving of B. Going very innovative. Let's try this. Going very innovative, very natural. The saving of A is 20% more than saving of B. So saving of A 20% more. So is in the ratio 100:120. 20% more, na? 20% more. So 100:120. Over. Percentage. 40 is simplifying 3 times. It is simplifying 4 times. So A over B is 3:4. So income of A upon income of B. Mains classes, let's see if they would be coming, then they would be coming on the bilingual channel. Ganesh, I will inform you. A over B income 3:4. So income of A is how much less than income of B? Income of A is 1 less compared to B, 1 by 4 into 100. Dear, very, very short. Guys, cool? Technical? Hmm? If A spent 60%, this means he saved 40% of his income. If B spent 75% of his income, this means he saved 25% of his income. Saving of A and saving of B, saving of A is saving of A is 20% more than B. So can I say they are in the ratio 100 ratio 120? 20% more. Percentage 43 ja 25 4 ja, so A upon B income 3 ratio 4. A upon B income 3 ratio 4. So how much A is less than B? A is 1 less than B. Comparison from B. 1 less over 4 into 100, 25%. Okay, let's move on. Income of PQR is 9 ratio 4 ratio 7, and their savings are 7 ratio 3 ratio 9. Salary of P is 22,500. Salary of P means income of P. 9 is given as 22500. 9 2 ja 18, 9 5 ja 45, 2500. 2500 is the multiplication factor. Okay. P spend 19,000. Okay. Income of P given as 22,500. Expenditure of P given as 19,000. So can I say saving of P is 3,500. 3,500. So 7 is given as 3,500 multiplication of 500. Expenditure of Q and R. So income of Q is 2,500 into 4, 10,000. Okay. Income of Q 10,000. Saving of Q 1,500. So expenditure of Q 8,500. Have I need to do it completely? Looking like so. R income 17,500. R saving 4,500. So expenditure what is the difference between them? 1,500 plus 3,000, 4,500. Guys, I have to do it completely, isn't it? I think you should also. What do you say? What do you say? Yeah. It has asked us to do completely. Oh my God. What a clever man. I was thinking that we will play somewhere. But eventually I have to solve it completely. Isn't it? What do you say? Because if I don't find incomes and if I don't find savings, if I don't find income and savings individually, then how would I find out the expenditures? Because expenditure ratios are not known. So I have to find out the income as well, saving as well to find out the expenditure. Find out the income as well, saving as well to find out the expenditure. Isn't it, my dear? Come on, tell me. Let's move on. Too much. Income of A 60% less than B. 60% less means 3 less than 5. So if B is 5, then A is 3 less than 2. I think we need to assume the variables because ultimately we have to connect the things. Okay. If you are not assuming the variable, please make sure you assume it later. Income. Expenditure of A is 60% of B. So if B is 10, then A is 6. Guys, I'm not balancing the ratios as of now. I'm not balancing the ratios as of now. We will balance it with the help of this. A income is 70% of the B expenditure. B expenditure 10. A income is 70% of it. So I have to make it 7. Multiply by 3.5. Game over. Multiply it by 3.5, game over. Because if I multiply it by 3.5, then it will become 7, it will become 10, and this condition will become satisfied. So income of A 7, 15, 17.5, expenditure 6 and 10. So savings is income minus expenditure, 1 ratio 7.5. 7.5 is 15 by 2. So 2 ratio 15. I think cool. Question was cool, my dear. What do you say? Question was pretty cool. What do you say, my dear? Isn't it? Well done, Ishant. Any issues, guys? Any technical issues? Any conceptual issues? Any ratio balancing issues you can ask, guys? I'm here. I'm present over the question. I'm present over the questions. Any technical, any kind of issues, guys? Come on, do ask me. Well done. Income minus expenditure is saving, na? Income minus expenditure is saving. Isn't it a fun today's session? Do you like, guys, these much of tricky sessions, or you like little bit of moderate sessions? Because as per my expectations, now the levels are increasing everywhere. So your preparation should be at par the level, okay? If you see the examination happened this year, guys, you will follow the pattern. You will follow the pattern. CDS raised the label, CAT raised the label, CGL is at par with the label, but Tier 2 is expected high. Similarly, CHSL will remain at par with the label, but Tier 2 is going to be high. So now, guys, now that funda of asking pretty easy questions is almost gone. Yeah. So it is more about now thorough, detailed preparations and thorough, detailed technical preparations, guys. So you should always choose your mentor. You should always choose your mentor like very wisely, very wisely. The ones who are taking you to the depths. Two times the share of A is equal to 5 times the share of B is equal to the 7 times of the share C. In certain situation, either we can divide by the LCM, or we can do hide and seek. Hide and seek, hide A, the value of A is 35. Hide B, the value of B is 14. Hide C, the value of C is 5 to the 10. Okay. So ABC would be maintaining 35, 14, 10. What is the A share? A share is 35 over total of 49 plus 10, 59. 35 over 59 of 1180. It was a pretty easy one. It was a pretty easy one, guys. Yeah. I think it is the easiest one for today. It is the easiest one for today. It is the easiest one for today. One more easy one. One more easy one. 4, 3, 5. Salaries hiked by 1 by 6, 1 by 3, and 1 by 5. Okay. If something is hiked by 1 by 6, if something is hiked by 1 by 6, can I interpret it as it has become 7 by 6 of the previous value? If it is hiked by 1 by 6, can I say it has become 7 by 6 of the previous value? Hiked by 1 by 3. It has become 4 by 3 of the previous value. Hiked by 1 by 5. It has become 7 by 6 of the previous value. 6 by 5 of the previous value. Gone, 2, 3. 14 by 3, ratio 4, ratio 6. Distribute this 3 everywhere. 14, 12, 18. 7:6:9. 7:6:9. Not bad either, guys. Not bad. If we have grabbed this concept, it was good one. Where if something is increasing by 1/6, where something is increasing by 1/6, this means it is becoming 7/6 of its previous value. If something is increasing by 1/6, this means it is becoming 7/6 of its previous value. 7/6 of the previous value. If something is increasing by 1/3, this means it is becoming 4/3 of the previous value. 4/3 of the previous value. If something is increasing by 1/5, this means it is becoming 6/5 of the previous value. Answer. Perfect. Perfect. So it was again a short whisker session. Nowadays I am taking short whisker sessions, quality questions, single topic, and 40-45 minutes, 40-45 minutes single whisker sessions. Yeah. These sessions will help you a lot in your revisions. Guys, this is our SAFALTA batch, which is available at very easy rates, English medium SSC CHSL preparation. These are the features of it. These are the features of the batch. English medium SSC CHSL batch, SAFALTA batch. The code is SSC50. SSC50 to avail 50% instant discount on visiting our app. These are the features inside it. All are like annotated PDFs and everything, whatever you can expect. Along with daily practice papers, DPPs, a model of quota. About DPPs, yeah. And this is about, guys, this here you will find out these scores. Here you will find out this course, guys, CHSL course. When you install the app, you will find it over here, the paid course. Here the SSC CHSL 2022 SAFALTA course would be there. The way to download the app is go to the Play Store, search the Exampur official app, download it, open it, register it, fill the credentials. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you. Okay. See you in the next session, guys. Till then, have a great time. Do take a very good care of yourself. Thank you very much, Asant Madhav. Okay. You all are connected for a long now. I really want your success, guys, at any cost. I want that message to be flown to me about your selections. This year, we have provided a lot of selections in CGL, CHSL. Obviously, I means across my both platforms. Obviously, this is a kind of a new platform, okay? Across, you can say, from my previous platform, but obviously. So, take care of yourself. Have a great time. See you.